Trade on Thinkorswim. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to trade on Thinkorswim. So let's get started. Start by opening and funding a TD Ameritrade account. Many traders keep it at least $25,000 in a margin account to avoid any trading limits. Launch Thinkorswim login and choose live or paper trading. Set up your workspace. For this, open charts, add indicators like VWAP or moving averages, and enable the active trader panel for quick order placement. Then use the scan feature to find active stocks with strong volume and price movements. After that, when trading, set position size, stop loss, and profit targets before entering. Use fast order types like limit or bracket orders. Always focus on risk management, keep stops in place, and follow a daily loss limit to protect your account. And that's how you will be able to trade on Thinkorswim. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.